Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Solana. Wanted to do a quick update after, a lot of bullish momentum yesterday evening. As you can see right here, broke out above this level between 20.3 and 20.5, which was the main resistance level in this kind of range that Solana was in for the last, for the last 2 weeks or so. Unexpected. I expected more bearish momentum, at least right here, and then for some time it actually got respected until it got back to 18.7 and then got a lot of bullish momentum. I would say that quite a lot of the momentum we're seeing right now, I'd say there's a high chance that it's manipulated, and I'll tell you why. And I'm not saying that's bearish or bullish. It's just something we have to take into account. But I'll tell you why, right? The volume right now throughout the market is down like 30-40%. For Solana, it's up 110%. And it's coming from Upbit, Top Credit, SuperX, which usually if a lot of volume comes from those sources, it's manipulated. All right? Usually. That's just what I've seen, what I've observed. And apart from that, I mean, it's these candles right here are not normal candles. Like normally this goes way slower, like right here. And there's no reason for this bullish momentum from Solana. I mean, sure, Bitcoin was a bit bullish yesterday as well and still is. That helped, but apart from that, there's no big reason. So we'll talk about what's possible from here, because like I said, even though it's manipulated, that doesn't mean that it will crash or anything. That could actually be the main reason why it would continue going up. So we'll talk about that. Before we do that though, I do want to tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guides. Very valuable. If you want to check that out, links will be down in the description. I will also publish a profitability report as soon as possible in the next week or so you know how September performs and you can make your decision based on that. Links will be down in the description. Now into Solana. So there's absolutely no bearish confirmation right now for Solana. It's still very bullish. Found resistance around 21.7, which is a strong resistance level, which you can also see right here. And we will talk about that. But for now, there's no real bearish confirmation for Solana. I mean, sure, on the daily time frame, it actually is still bearish or neutral, I would say. You can see that right here, a lot of bearish momentum here, and I don't think that has been invalidated. Perhaps if it breaks above 22.5, that's our main resistance right now, so between 21.7 and 22.5. Could Solana break above that? Yes, it's also, you can see the volume is still growing. Open interest is stalling a little bit, has been for the last, 20 hours. So the main question now is, there is still momentum in the price of Solana. Where will that momentum bring us? And I think we also have to know that the correlation right now between Solana and Bitcoin is fairly high. So what happens with Solana depends a lot on what happens with Bitcoin as well. And Bitcoin is heading towards a major resistance level. Same with Solana. So the big question is do you expect that resistance level to break or not? And personally, I do not expect that resistance level to break, at least not initially, especially not for Solana, but also not for Bitcoin. So what I expect is that Solana will test that level. So again, that's really below, between 21.9 and 22.3. That's a little bit more concise. So it will get up there and it will find resistance. And then the only way in which I think we could break above that is if Solana is able to hold 21.5 cents as a support afterwards for like 2-3 days. But right now, the price is not even above 21.5. If it is able to do that, then afterwards, Solana could continue going up towards 23.5 and $24. But like I said, that depends a lot on how Solana reacts to the resistance level. And for now, I would say it's more likely that Solana will get up there, but that it will find resistance and eventually drop back down to at least 20.5 and 20.3 again. So that's my take on Solana for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.